Okay, so this time we will share the link to download Binance. With just one click or with the official website of Binance itself. Okay, so you just open the link in the description column and you will automatically download the file from the Binance application. Besides that, you can download it from the official Binance website, namely Binance.com only for some users. Yes, you have to use a VPN or change the DNS to 1111, so maybe if you feel a bit complicated, please use the link in the description column. Okay, so for those of you who are new users, don't forget to use our code, namely W0Q5FX52. Get a cashback bonus every time you trade, and there are also campaign bonuses. Like this, you can get 150 plums by registering with the code, then depositing and also to start trading. Besides that, there are shells and so on, so for campaigns like this there will continue to be for you if you use the referral code. Okay, maybe that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully it's useful.